Barbecue recipe. 2 pounds approx 1 kilogram of your choice of meat, chicken, pork, beef, or a combination. 1 cup barbecue sauce, use your favorite. Store-bought or homemade sauce. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper optional. Additional seasoning or spices as per your taste. 1. Prepare the meat by cutting it into evenly sized pieces. If using chicken, you can leave it whole or cut it into quarters. 2. In a bowl, mix together the vegetable oil, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and any additional seasoning or spices you prefer. 3. Rub the spice mixture evenly over the meat pieces, making sure to coat all sides. You can use your hands or a brush for this step. 4. Preheat your grill to medium heat. If using charcoal, ensure it is fully ignited and the coals are covered with a layer of gray ash. 5. Place the meat on the grill and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side, or until it reaches your desired level of doneness. Baste the meat with barbecue sauce during the last few minutes of cooking on each side, allowing the sauce to caramelize slightly. 6. Remove the meat from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. 7. Serve the barbecue meat with additional barbecue sauce on the side, if desired. Feel free to adjust the cooking time and seasoning according to your preferences and the type of meat you're using. Enjoy your homemade barbecue.